Take Highway 78 or 316, whichever way gonna make a difference to me, just get me there. I'm Athens bound, Sanford Stadium, been calling my name. I'm going down to watch the big game, it's Saturday. Gonna tailgate with my friends down by the railroad tracks. Oh, sons of Georgia, neath them stately pines, from old Blue Ridge to Savannah's coastline. We're the Bulldog State, from Calhoun to Albany, bleeding red and black, glory, glory. The Sick'em Dogs, Georgia, hail to thee. Well, I wish I was there in them Herschel days. We were junkyard dogs, we had our way in the SEC throughout the whole damn country. I hear folks ringing that chapel bell. We got after the rafts, we gave them hell. I see that G, it's flying high, 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 Lord, in that Athens sky. All sons of Georgia, neath them stately pines, from old Blue Ridge to Savannah's coastline. We're the Bulldog State, from Calhoun to Albany, bleeding red and black, glory, glory. Sick'em Dogs, Georgia, hail to thee. Dog Nation, been through some real hard times. 41 years of drought, and I almost lost my mind. We lost Munson and Dooley while chasing that ring. They were here today, Lord, I know they would sing. They'd sing glory, glory to old Georgia. They'd sing glory, glory to old Georgia. Glory, glory to old Georgia. And to hell with everybody else. We got a football tradition and it's going strong. Hot damn, it's great to be a Georgia Bulldog. I'll always say to hell with Georgia Tech. Dooley, Herschel, Munson, and Ballou, Stetson, Smart, Brock, Bowers too. They're all true dogs, heroes of our time, time, time. Watch them hunker down on a Saturday night. All sons of Georgia, neath them stately pines, from old Blue Ridge to Savannah's coastline. We're the Bulldog State, from Calhoun to Albany, bleeding red and black, glory, glory. Sick'em Dogs, our sons of Georgia, neath them stately pines, from old Blue Ridge to Savannah's coastline. We're the Bulldog State, from Calhoun to Albany, bleeding red and black, glory, glory. Sick'em Dogs, Georgia, hail to thee. Let's go Dogs.